Hey everyone, Dr. Spinda. Hey, I wanted to show you a little bit about trying to find something if you need to go back longer than 30 days. I know we've been waiting for some things to come through, but haven't. But each one of your groups should have one profile that goes beyond 30 days based on what I'm looking at. So in other words, we have our, the groups, you might have different social listening summaries, things like that. But if you go to the group social listening summary or the one that you've done or whatever it might be, what you can do is, okay, as I kind of mentioned before, if you go to bulk edit sources, you should have different things here that you can use as far as, topic profiles. So for instance, these are the ones that I have for mine right now, okay? As you can see, this Comm4260, I'm going to go ahead and apply that one. And I'm going to edit the sources. Actually, I'm sorry, you got to use this little arrow right here to go. And I know a lot of us forget that sometimes. So we have the keyword groups. So in other words, as I had said before, the thing to do is to not create a new topic profile is to create keyword groups within it. So in this case, I'm going to add a new keyword group. Some NCAA, we'll just pick that, right? Always putting in the retweet element, and we created a keyword group. Okay, let's go and apply it. Okay, now we want to look at something from more than 30 days ago from the NCAA. That might be an issue. Okay, so you can see here I have that same problem. My topic profile does not goes to February 6th. So let's say my event was in January or January of 2018. I'm in trouble here, right? Okay. Well, yes and no. Okay. So what you want to do is we'll cancel out of this, and I'll go to bulk edit sources. Let's say this was your name instead of Comm4260, and look around. Okay, this one. Let's try this one. John Spinda, and we'll go ahead and not edit it, but we're going to go ahead and move to that and see we have keyword groups. Okay, so I'm going to create a new keyword group. In this case, again, just do your first search, NCAA, exclude retweets. Okay, create that keyword group, save that profile. So again, now you see that second one is within it, and apply. Okay, now you can go see that, right, 30 days ago. I can't go any more than 30 days ago with this particular search. So if I go custom, let's see if, any different. Nope. Okay, so we'll try one more. Actually, I think I meant to mistakenly had one. I meant to go to this one right here. So again, make sure you click that forward arrow. That's always a big deal. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just, use this topic profile. Maybe I'll create a new keyword group just for the heck of it, as we've been doing it for the example, right? Okay, we'll create that keyword group. All right. Save and apply. Actually, we'll go ahead and go to bulk edit sources. Another thing you want to make sure you do, which I think I have failed to do, is you want to make sure that you're clicking the topic profile you want. So I edited both of these, but let's go ahead and apply that one, right? So in other words, you might have one that's your topic profile might be your name, and you have other group members. You might need to take a look in theirs and see if you can go longer than 30 days, in other words. Okay, in this case, let's see. Yes, okay, now we have a longer topic profile. You can see now I can go back, at least a year, okay? So the point of this video, what I'm trying to tell you is when you look at your group, you'll probably have at least 2 or 3 different topic profiles. Some of you might have condensed it into one, which is fine, but you can see that if you kind of go in and check on the other ones, you might be able to do your search on something that goes more than 30 days. So hopefully that helps. And have any questions, please let me know. All right, take care.